Yeah, me come in and beg.
No, but that's true. I'm not talking now. I'm not talking yet. How can I style that?
Darling, listen up. Me beg around on.
No, me not even a ball game here. Me not even a ball game here. The ball game is not evil.
Well, let me go. I want to hear more like them. Well, I want to hear more like them, but as in start, Mr. Cole is stopping. So I can hear someone like them.
All right.
People in the records not liar.
I pass on the local road. I travel through the local road them. And I saw several local contractors on the road patching the roads them. However, right? When I came down in Jamaica, right, it was a lot of rain, almost every day rainfall. You understand me? And the tar itself, right, is a hot substance needed the heat for it to hold properly. However, right, water inside the pothole them. So we realize why, right? There's not too much work can done, right? Even though there's a lot of pothole because the rain is still falling. But as the rain subsides, I can see whereas
we're not arguing with it. I already contradict yourself.
Bro.
But Papa, I contradict yourself. No.
I contradict myself.
Because you just said earlier when you came on the program, you said you went to Jamaica and you can't tell about the road, you can't tell about school, you can't tell about health. Well, I know.
Absolutely.
But no, you said like earlier the road them good, but no, you defeat your own self.
I didn't say the road them good. I said I can speak on. I said I can speak about the road. That's what I said.
But bro, you're being confusing and deceptive at the same time because
Lord God.
You were talking about good road, bro, but now you're talking about bad road.
No bala.
So is that
no bala.
That way I can't sense to
no bala. Listen, Mr. Bala, right? I said I can speak about the road. I can speak about the school. Okay. I can speak up. Listen, Mr.
Okay, so let's get this clear with
what I can speak about.
All right. So before you continue, before you continue, to clear the confusion, let me ask you a question and get this clear.
Yeah.
When you start, or whatever you are trying to say, are you trying to say the roads are good or the roads are bad? Which one?
Both good and bad.
Oh, is that possible? Like
it is possible.
How can you eat your slice of cake and still have it?
It is possible, bro. It is possible.
All right, beg a minute. Before I
know the reason. I can see the reason why, right? I can see the reason why, right? There's a lot of pothole are still there.
I understand now. You come to make excuses for your body road them.
No, because I can see the reason.
I
literally can see the reason because there are several contractors.
More share time with you and Miss Karen because she's there office, you know. She wants to say something to you personally.
I wrote me that too.
So now you don't care reason, but me give 3 minutes, but me here for not 3 minutes, you know. Go ahead, Miss Karen.
I'm a very respectful person. I give respect because I expect respect, okay?
I understand that. Me too.
That's why I backed out just now when you told me to, because you were right. All right. I was just begging a run on the field because I have to run. So, Parker, listen to me now. I'm glad you cleared that up. I'm glad Bala asked the question that he did just now. Because, may I go tell you this. Between today and tomorrow, half of Jamaica will see demonstration from taxi operators because of bad roads. That is me preempting you, darling. The roads are in deplorable condition. And I want to say to you, thank you in your defending your party to show up their inadequacies. Because in 2 weeks, you come down here and you identify all that is good and bad with what is happening here. And your party has been there for over 10 years and still cannot identify. I must applaud you and you must be hired.
Yeah, for sure. Because excuses
that doesn't make any sense. What you just said doesn't make any sense. What you just said doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, she makes sense,
you know that?
Because you take a U-turn upon we, you know, we think say I come to tell we say.
And you tell me say 2 weeks you spend at Jamaica.
What I'm saying,
come back and do this.
We can understand, right? where there is a lot of rain, right? Falling through Jamaica.
Me not
Constantly,
understand.
like every day.
Me not understand.
Right? Every day.
10 years. 10 years.
Paka.
Right?
10 years.
And hold on.
Spark
Good morning,
start a
Dimple.
Nugent Road 6 months ago. It still don't finish. So I guess it's the rain will fall 6 months straight.
Paka tough, your friend. Paka road come and make excuses for the road. But think the man going to tell us the road then on a yard good. All right, so what happened like how you're defending the road? I have a next question for you. What happened to the Spark program, Sir Paka? The Spark program, the rain washing it too?
It's still in effect.
But the hard rain washing away the Spark program?
Understand what I'm what
you're saying it is still in effect and you're not seeing the impact. You're seeing negative impact and you're making excuses.
What I saw, right? What I saw, right? A lot of potholes cut out to be fixed. You understand me? I saw a lot of potholes cut out to be fixed. Right? I'm
going to Clarendon this morning. I don't normally tell people that. I do not take the toll.
Thank you, Dimple.
Yeah.
No, I do normally tell people that. And I leave Clarendon, 5 o'clock. And you're back in America after your 2-week break. And why you name me a stretch from out of what is hotel name? From out of where the dump used to be. So Mineral Heights.
Yeah.
Versailles.
No Versailles.
Yeah.
No Versailles. I want you to name me a hole within the 2 weeks that you was here.
All right.
Because I passed there yesterday and I'm passing back there today.
All right, Mr. Cole. All right, Mr. Cole.
You see.
All right, Mr. Cole. Mr. Cole. Listen to me.
Yeah.
And listen to me good, right?
Yeah.
I will give you $100 US.
Yes.
$100 US. You hear me? I say? From just as you come off, just as you come off the toll, right? Go straight to Clarendon town. Show me a pothole. Take a picture. Take a picture. Hold on, Mr. Cole. Listen to me good. Listen to me good, Mr. Cole. Listen to me good. Right? Listen to me good. And listen to me carefully. Listen to me good and listen to me carefully, Mr. Cole. Right? I want you to from just as you come off the toll, right?
We don't have 1 minute left. I want
you to take me a picture. Take a picture from off the toll. Go straight to alley. They said straight to alley. You understand me?
Yes.
And show me up. I take a picture of the pothole them.
All right.
All of those pothole fix.
I can't say something for that.
We have 2 persons in front of him, Mr. Ivan.
Yes, man.
Ebony Park.
30 seconds to wrap up. I'm going to that.
Ebony Park before me reach there. Paka, send them go fix it. Paka,
you see, you did what you know. You did what you know. You did what you know. You did what you know.
When you leave off the toll, when you leave off of the toll and head into Ebony Park, send the government go fix the pothole when we leave there. You see that?
Yes. Rate just subsides.
Just tell the people them. Said that if me can take a picture, may I send the people them where the pothole there. May I send them again.
All right, hold on. We're going to heal for a minute now. We're run out of time.
You just talk about the hotel. You just talk about the hotel.
1 second, guys. Come on, it's early in the morning. Let's we're run out of time for you guys. We're going to move on to another panel.
You're going all about, man. You're going all about, man.
I don't want you to come make $100 US.
You're big up. You're confused yourself. I'm mixed up.
Hold on, guys. Mr. Cole and Paka. Hold on.
Me no Clarendon more right here, you know.
Yeah, me don't know Clarendon.
We understand, guys, that
just a find out Clarendon.
Paka, hold on. Like, I'm get 3 minutes and I don't know. But when I say still, we're going to go to break now. But Right, I don't know if you can give me 1 quick minute to play one of this Nation NaRRa play, but I don't want to know how many kilometers from the toll road to Lionel Town. You understand? Cause Paka go like him take we feed that. You know? Remember I said JLPNP people them bright, you know.
Man. What? So how do you put it in the power?
I am saying to the government of Jamaica.
That is not the road.
We're not all right. Moderators, I'm gonna ask you to help me control the noise on the platform. No one should be talking at this moment. So mute everybody for me, please. You know we're not going for nice, and people over here keep telling me that them learn and we want to keep the platform like that. So we're not gonna make a bag of noise. So moderator, until I tell you who's on the platform. Yeah, all right, Brad. So all right, let me hear from Brad before I even play the video. Brad, go ahead. Brad says she have to go.
Morning, everyone. It's something I'm doing, and I heard Paco with the misinformation. So, morning again. For persons who don't know, I live in Clarendon. And let me tell you something. There is not one good road here in Clarendon. I'm not talking the highway. I'm talking everyday use road and even the off-roads. Now, you see, right at 4 parts, when you're exiting,
Jesus Christ.
Hold on, man. When you leave Kennedy Grove, hold on, no, I think me leave out one place. There is a community beyond Kennedy Grove by the name of Roswell District. Bala, no road no round there. No road no round there. Before burial, they put down one piece of road around there. And burial came and lift up the carpet because it was carpet road. Burial came and lift it up. And let me tell you something. You don't want to drive around there. As a matter of fact, no street light no around there. You dare not drive around that part 6 o'clock because around there pitch black. All right, we leave from there, so now we leave Kennedy Grove and we come out. You see, just as you're going to go onto Paisley, you have a big ditch. And I say ditch because it's about people tire.
I know it's a Frankfield. Terrible.
I say ditch because it's about people tire and your undercarriage. You don't have no mercy upon it.
Landy, morning.
Secondly, after you exit 4 parts, that entire road from the Cool Oasis gas station go right up to Pimby right there, so.
Dimples, that means Andrew walk this after 10 years then and can't fix the road.
Let me tell you something. It is a daily obstacle course to maneuver your way through the various size of potholes. Now, right where Max is gone back, the pothole is not so bad up there, so, but it's pure uneven road surface. You see, after you pass there, so you reach up to Pimby, up at Pimby there, so go over the bridge. It's pure uneven pothole. You get little break after you pass Pimby and you reach up to the depot. You get little break. When you pass the depot, you go over the bridge and go up little more to go into the bus park. Up here pothole up there, so. So I don't know what kind of lie. Good morning. I don't know what kind of lie pack up here. I try to tell people no good road at all. And Auntie Yvonne can pick up where I left off going to Rocky. No road no out there. Me yield to somebody else.
Talk about Rocky. Because a Rocky settlement a Rocky settlement because of. Make sure talk about Rocky settlement.
All right, we're gonna go to Miss Yvonne and then we come back to Paka, then we go to somebody else, then we come back to Paka, cause Paka alone, you know. So a long time we don't see him in the ball field. So we hear him have to say still. I'll let him start off with a bag of lies still because Miss Yvonne, before I come to you, let me play this video because this was aired on Nation NaRRa.
I am saying to the government of Jamaica, get the oversight in place, ensure that it works, it is empowered to do the right things so that we can have some relief on the roads. This cannot continue. You drive and your front end twist up. You tire them a bus all over the place. Everything a shift and all of the things them where can shift when you drop in a pothole. Everything wrong with your car. Every few months you have to go a wheel and align and balance and all kind of something. These things are costing people, you know. These things are costing people and they don't have to. The oversight authority for our roads, one road authority or whatever it will be called, that is being established. It needs to be done expeditiously. And there needs to be proper accountability when it comes to the management of the roads and ensuring that the roads are being fixed properly.
People selling the Daily Heart me them, please.
Hold these contractors.
My fans, send your heart me.
We can't continue like this. And we will forever talk about it until something is done. I am saying.
All right, so Miss Yvonne, I want you to take up from there because I don't know this. I was posted yesterday on Nation NaRRa, but Parker said him went down to Jamaica and in 2 weeks he traveled the whole 14 parish. Miss Yvonne, what do you have to say about that? I could hear from you. I could hear 3 minutes because the panel is full. Who was in the box now? Eagle Boss, you got Eagle Boss. Forward back, man. All right, go ahead, Miss Yvonne, you have 3 minutes so we can go back and hear what.
Good morning again to everyone. In Paka, you know, it was if you stop compound in platform with you.
No, you don't have to address him, man. Address we and the people him. You don't have to address him. Just address what him say.
Then it may address what he said.
No, address what he said. Do not address him directly.
In Paka, you'll say road from Mineralites to Lining Town. Let me give you an update on that. That is Porsche Road. The best road that down at Clarendon. A Porsche make that the road there. The one for line money must cross and we continue this. So I cousins that again. Luton cousin. You see
General,
one for
good morning. Nice
money must cross now to Rocky Point. Let me tell you where we do forget that the road they fit patch up. Little before election. We have to stage one fake demonstration. We put out posters, and that we do forget to put out posters and send it all around, making sure it's a labor right them get it. And I saw that an election did come. So we get it patch out. The one for line money must cross to Rocky Point. A 10-year what a disgrace that. Him even mash up a fishing industry. People stop come Rocky completely. Come by Fish Tree Road. Completely. Yeah. So all now Rocky can come back together. Because them patch up the road, every customers there all over there. Then lead to. People even start come Rocky and then park then car Lining Town. Take taxi for come Rocky. Tell them stop completely. They mash up a fishing industry road. 10 years. Water bad mud and water when rainfall with the pothole them. 10 years water it will go through with them wicked people here. So you see road from Mineralites. I one road that me see a Clarendon to Money Must Crossing. And who fix that? Porsche Simpson Miller. Porsche fix the Packer. He had a little stretch for this so he go Ali a Luton cousin. You hear Packer? Me I tell you that day. And that me have to say baller. So you must know where you say in general. Know where you say man.
All right, 3 minutes up. Packer, I could hear from you, my boss, and I go back to Miss Karen and run his
thank you very much, sir. So to realize I am not lying.
So hold on, Packer, 3 minutes up, right?
Yeah, man, 3 minutes, man. So people don't realize I am not lying because she don't come and try to debunk on the stuff what I said. Said the road are properly fixed. Not really properly fixed, but yes, the road drivable. You understand me? There's no pothole or in the road, right? Remember I said that? Remember I said that? But anyhow, right? He called some name who not really relevant. Portia. Bro. Listen, man. Bro, listen, man. We don't say your words. We don't say your words.
Sorry, boss. Sorry, it's okay, sir. My apologies, sir.
She mentioned Portia. Portia has been out office years ago. Right? We all know that. You understand me? And we know who fixed the road. But by the end of the day, the road has to maintain. Right? And all the road maintained is by this administration, right? Continue. If she see a Porsche road by maintaining the road, them. You understand me? So I am not lying when I said, right?
They maintain.
So even though a PMP road, we still are maintaining.
So why are the piece alone they maintain?
That's just to show the level of this government. You understand
no,
me?
but I'm asking, why is it that road alone they maintain?
It's not that road alone, it's several road.
Or that road alone fix good.
Bala, what I'm saying
is that road alone, people talk about that.
Well, I'm saying, no, I'm alone of a perplexing. I get this.
Brother. Yeah. Jaja. But Bala, you only give me a little bit of minute, Bala.
Boss. I give 30 seconds extra. Continue.
So by the end of the day, bro, right? What I come on the platform, right, and said, I am not lying. You understand me? It's just whereas them are trying to make it political. But I wasn't trying to make it political, right? I was just talking about what I saw when I went down. You understand me? We don't come to call them who fix it, who don't fix it, or who did it right now. We just say, right? Why I see the road, right, started to fix now is because of the rain. The rain ease up. Because the whole heap of rain. Rain fall like every day.
Thank you, OP. Thank you.
You see what I say? So, being as though the rain kind of ease up, you know, you're going to see a lot of places. Because tell you the truth, you know, right? Even coming from underneath from over the bridge, coming from BPN, right? To the roundabout, right?
Yeah.
The road is bad. The road is horrible. You understand me? But we see whereas is because of the rain, because tar is hot. You understand me? That's why a lot of road don't fix.
I will come back to you next. Because I must say I only labor right, you know. So when you know what me chat, I had bad up your host. Yeah, I'm a bridge in a long time. I come for the program. So I go to our next panelist and never come back right to you. Because enough of them and I want to hear. But Ranel, before we come to you still. Yo, Paka lie wicked. Yo, people. Paka be general, but you're Paka lie now. Paka got Jamaica go spend 2 weeks. And within that, my time, you know, I want you to talk about my time, because you're bad, me to talk about your time. So Paka go down for 2 weeks to spend vacation. And Paka take it 2 weeks and examine every road at Jamaica. And Paka examine the health sector. Because when you start talking about the health sector, you know, and Paka examine, what else he talk about again? He talk about road, school. So Paka take it time for you to go to school. Eh? So Paka take time for you to go to school in 2 weeks. Anyways, so our next Clarendon link here, I got talk. Ranel on the panel. Big up yourself, top of the morning, my G.
Yeah, big up on yourself for now, David. Let's up Paka. Let me ask you though, number one, Paka come to defend the government. Say them are do good work. Yeah, that's number one. And then he come to give the excuse why the road them.
All right, advocate.
Where he is blaming the rain. But secondly, though, I mean, what Miss Ivan just said just now about saying that Porsche fixed the part of the road. Me Paka say she don't fit talk about Porsche car that irrelevant. A long time Porsche out of office, right? So Paka, how you want to give your government the glory for that good road there? And you know want to give Portia glory for the road where she fixed. But you want to give the government glory for Portia road. You know if you do that something with them, man. Because I mean, me on the labor right to beat even PG, we're out of power for 20 odd years now. And Portia out of power for couple years. You don't want to talk about that, but you don't want to talk about something for 20 odd years. You don't need to be fair, man. If you're going to talk about people out of office, don't mention PNP.
I'll have to break up, may I circle back?
You understand? You know if you be fair, and the road then can't good because I just yesterday me I listened to about 3 to 4 analysts, and me I tell you say a JLP analyst them, and them a beat the road condition.
But they're going to listen no ball, saying.
You see me?
But
Bala,
you see money.
Man, I have to accept it. I even have to talk to man. I know me. I can't allow you to. Yeah, I mean, go at it like I'm a brother. I mean, go at it like Juliet and Andrew in the parliament yesterday. So,
yeah, man.
So you're taking that point of order, sir?
Yeah, point of order.
Ronnie, I take a point of order.
Yeah, point of order, you know.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Sorry.
Go on, man.
Yeah, man. Me go circle on the back. Midday. You understand me? But
all right, that's no point of order. Look more. Yes, Bala. But when I say pertaining to the road, I mean, I think the best road should have be in a Jamaica are the one will lead to the airport. I mean, I tell you, say the road the bad. Me I tell you, say, me don't know how the government really think, because you can't have your road where go to the airport looks there. I remember saying almost every tourist travel respond that the road there, no? And if that they look road they bad, so you know see the pothole them, but you see the bump and the shaky. Woman where soon have picnic and to travel pan that the road there by certain speed, you know. And the government now do nothing about pan that they look road. Yo, that's one of the road that me yet most of our know say almost everybody will come down to Jamaica travel pan that the road there. Not even one white line in the road for show you say you're on your left or you're on your right, you know. Them need for the better that look part of the road there, bro.
The country. I want that road that's somebody road that people half is different into Jamaica. Bro, gee. Alright, Ronald time. I hope you know. Miss Karen, do you want to say something before? I mean, you're still late now work. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. Call him, we are 40 next. Should be a long wait. But I have to put them on a man.
Unfortunate. A while ago, I have to smile, you know, because when I came in and begged for a little time, Parker was very adamant, no, but him jump in for Ranella. We give him the time. And that's so commendable. Anyway.
Come on, man. You don't know what's a labor right hand, man.
But I was say that, you know, I'm not bother. Anyway, it's unfortunate that Parker came and he spoke about 4 topics. He broad brush. 4 topics. School, road, health, poor people. And he go for the worst one first, road. Because everybody are going about the road right now. And don't get to talk about the other 3. I would have loved to have heard what his take would have been on the other 3. Truth is, he came, he broad brushed, made some statements, and then doubled down on them. That obviously means that there's nothing. What he initially said, there's no basis to it. Because when he came in, the attitude that he gave was of a positive. Yeah, him come with some positive, though he did not say that. We won't put words in his mouth. But then when facts, when Brad come at him with reality by naming the roads, road by road, community by community. When Miss Ivan come at him.
When him come up, you know, I mean, everybody wants it. But when him come up, I could almost sure that him say, yo, the roads in Jamaica and everything. Him say, it is further from when me hear whip on media say everything is good.
Him
and that Parker say, I'm not going to hold him to that when him come back. I went to Jamaica and I come back with some good report regarding. Right. So we now jump the gun. Because good report could mean that him come back to say yes. Him agree with me. Yes, you understand me? So we jump the gun. We should make him talk. But guess what? I'm double down. So we're good. We're all right, you know.
The truth is, Paca now open the gate for the discussions that is now being had. Taxi operators will today and tomorrow across this island be demonstrating. Read these roads that they're driving on. I don't know who else can talk about these roads apart from Miss Ivan, who represent people. People like Brad that live in the community, drive and then the taximen that go all over the place. So we have these people now, the people that live there, the people that represent there, and the people that might go from place to place. I tell you, say these things are bad. I refuse to have somebody come to Jamaica for 2 weeks, stay in a couple communities, and tell me that my reality is not my reality. So Dor Paca is a nice guy. We respect him because him not disrespect we. He need to stop drink the soup. You see the soup when them feed them? Make them come out here and defend the undefendable. Them just need to stop taking that soup. Show it away, man. Show it away. Because what our reality is not the things that you are spewing. You need to stop. Thank you, Paca.
Well, I like how you pay attention. All right, now I'm looking forward to Mr. Colin, but I have one more video to play. Because I didn't expect to pack out and run so fast now because this is undoubtedly one of the most hilarious stuff I've heard since week. Possibly since here, Paca going down for 2 weeks, people. And within that 2 weeks, Paca find time for go to school because I don't know, I put the same guy to school because I don't know how he come to the conclusion that the education sector is great just by after going on for 2 weeks. I know what happened to him make him go to hospital. So he could have touched upon health sector and said the health sector is great. And him talk about poor people and him talk about the road them and all things. We're going to play one more video then we hear from Father Colin. And what you think of?
Joyce, I don't know who some of these contractors are, but I don't think they're doing a really good job with the patching.
How can you be driving at between 3 and 5 kilometers per hour as I was, if so fast? 3 and 5 kilometers an hour. 3, which is crawling pace. And you drop into a pothole at that speed, or not even speed. You drop into a pothole traveling at that rate. And your engine mash up.
Yeah.
So the man come and say,
because some of them are trenching.
I tell you.
Deep. Yesterday, in some of the footage I saw, it looks like a bus driver because he was in a blue shirt and a black pants, like him drive coaster bus, and he was standing down in one of the potholes. The pothole is that deep. He was standing down in there. I said, "Look at me."
No man, and when you Sunday I was coming from a funeral, so I drove on Young Street now to go on Burke Road. And when I see the condition of the road in Spanish Town, jeez, peas, it's like someone deliberately, like some soldiers in Ukraine digging trenches to hide in.
There's a road, George.
Spanish Town Road,
West Avenue and Maxfield Avenue. Those roads meet. But the road that I'm talking about that has some trenches and pure potholes leading up to Halfway Tree, Maxfield Avenue. It leads right.
Yeah, man.
Bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
A man called me a couple of days ago. No, it may have been Friday, to say that his niece, who's a doctor, she's working at Andrews. She said she pull out at Andrews and I go cross to go to Kingsway, to go to Kingsway. And there's a hell of a pothole on the left going up Kingsway.
I know it.
Man said she drop her Honda Fit in it and bust 2 tires. No, man, and I saw that same pothole. Was it last night or yesterday? I saw it last night and I said, oh, this.
Yeah.
No, man, it bad.
NWA, George.
All right, Sir Colin. Yeah, the top of morning. This is
the whole band of them got a while ago. The funniest part is the man go uptown and see the pothole and say, yeah, I know that pothole, I hear about him.
And he never see it. Yo, me say that me made a while ago, The man hear about the pothole and recognize it just by the description and seeing it. Yo. Ja, no.
I want to say this real quick, but what Ivan said earlier about Rocky, she's 100% right. 100% right. You see me? And we're still talking about